Did you know that for centuries, the people responsible for creating media and news have been using manipulative techniques to try to persuade people's ideas and opinions? Now, journalism today is supposed to be tied to a set of ethical standards and values, including truth, accuracy, fairness, and accountability. Now, in today's digital world, these ethics are not being applied correctly, and narratives are being spun to persuade and manipulate readers' thoughts, ideas, and choices. And that is why I've written this short little 30-page book called 13 Ways to Catch Fake News. Now, along with my other book, Fact Check, which is full of tools and resources used by investigators in journalism, it covers more concepts about the types of media bias that are being used in our current modern-day society. Now, throughout this book, I teach you 13 different tactics that the media uses against you to manipulate you and persuade your opinion, and give you the tools so that way you can actually find the truth and spot the headlines and the information within the content and know if stories are being spun or manipulated to try to persuade you. It's really important to understand what bias is, especially in the media. Bias is interjected into everything, and it can be used in a negative way to persuade people into believing things that they really shouldn't. Now, bias moves the topic away from objective truth, and anybody reporting the news to us on a professional level knows that the objective truth should always be present in everything that they report. And today we're seeing that statements and opinions are being interjected into the content that we read to try to persuade our ideas. And this is completely wrong. So in this first video in the series, I wanted to let the world know about this book that I've just written, the 13 Ways to Catch Fake News. And I also wanted to give a shout out to people who are waiting for Fact Check book. If you haven't heard of the book, go to factcheckbook.us and you can go there and download this book, the 13 Ways to Catch Fake News, completely free. I'm giving this book away. It's a short, under 30-page book that you can go download for free and start, identifying the principles that are being used against you in the media. Now, just to note, Fact Check book will be released in the spring of 2021. And if we are already past 2021, then you can find this book, Fact Check, in all of your local bookstores or online at Amazon.